The arrogant rich man. Once upon a time, there was a rich man named John. John lived in a big mansion on top of a hill. He had everything: expensive cars, fine clothes, and lots of gold. But John was very arrogant. He thought he was better than everyone else because he was rich. John often walked through the village, wearing his fine clothes and gold rings. He would look down on the poor villagers and laugh at them. "Why are you all so dirty and poor?" he would say. "If you worked harder, you could be rich like me." One day, a poor old man named Peter approached John. Peter had torn clothes and no shoes. He held out his hand and said, "Please, sir, can you spare a little food? I haven't eaten in 2 days." John laughed. "Why should I give you food? Go and work for it," he said. Peter bowed his head and walked away sadly. John's servants were afraid of him. He would shout at them if they made a mistake. "You are all useless," John would yell. "You should be thankful that I even let you work for me." One day, John decided to throw a big party. He invited rich and powerful people from the city. He decorated his mansion with gold and silver. He made his servants work day and night to prepare the finest food. During the party, John stood proudly in the center of the hall. "Look at how rich I am," he said to his guests. "No one in this village is as successful as me." His guests clapped and laughed. Just then, an old woman entered the hall. She was thin and dressed in simple clothes. "John," she said softly, "you have so much. Can you share some food with the hungry people in the village?" John frowned. "Why should I give away my food? I worked hard for it. They are poor because they are lazy." The old woman looked at him with kind eyes. "Riches can disappear, John. A kind heart is worth more than gold." John laughed. "Nonsense. Money is the most important thing." A week later, dark clouds gathered over the village. It began to rain heavily. The river overflowed, and soon the whole village was flooded. John's mansion was not spared. Water rushed into his grand hall and destroyed his fine carpets and golden furniture. His expensive paintings were ruined. His servants ran away, and his guests left him. John stood in the middle of his damaged mansion. "What will I do now?" he cried. "My wealth is gone." He walked down to the village. The villagers were helping each other rebuild their homes. Peter saw John and walked toward him. "John, you look tired and hungry. Come with me," Peter said. John hesitated, but he had no choice. He followed Peter to a small hut. Peter gave John some bread and a blanket. "Why are you helping me?" John asked. "I was so cruel to you." Peter smiled. "Because kindness is greater than wealth." John stayed in Peter's hut for many days. He watched how the villagers shared food and helped each other. He realized that they were happy even though they were poor. One day, John helped Peter fix his roof. "Thank you, John," Peter said. John smiled for the first time in a long while. "It feels good to help," he said. Months passed, and John began to change. He no longer walked through the village with pride. He greeted the villagers kindly, and helped them with their work. He shared his remaining wealth to build a school, and a well for clean water. One day, the old woman who had spoken to John at his party returned. John, she said, you have learned the value of kindness. Now you are truly rich. John smiled. Kindness is more valuable than gold. From that day on, John lived happily among the villagers. He had fewer riches but a fuller heart. The villagers respected him not for his wealth but for his kindness. John learned that true wealth comes not from money but from a kind and generous heart. Like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.